La 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 la. Hello family, hello kids, how are you? Are you okay? Great, that's me, your teacher Roy. Okay, and this week we're gonna have our class in two parts. Yes, today is the first part of our class and the most important part because you're gonna have to draw your clown's mouth like this. Look, the clown and the mouth. You have to draw the face of a clown, alright, of your clown. This is my clown, but don't worry because I'm gonna draw my clown here with you, okay? It's very nice idea, and for this you can use any material that you have at home. For example, this. It's a floor cloth. You can use a stuff like this, a floor cloth. Or you can use this stuff. This one to clean the kitchen, for example. You can use to draw your clown. And the special cardboard like this or like this. Alright? And if you have another idea, please do it. Choose your paper, choose your stuff to start drawing your clown's mouth. Great. And to draw, you need what? You need some colored pens. Yes, or colored pens, or I have the colored crayons. I'm gonna use my colored crayons, okay? Yes, to start, and it's most important, to start drawing, you have to cut the mouth of your clown. The first thing that you have to do is cutting, the mouth of your clown. For example, like this. You see? I cut it already. Or like this. If, for example, if you use a floor cloth, you cut first the mouth. Okay? You do the same with the special cardboard. I'm using this cardboard. Alright? And the first thing is cutting the mouth. Okay, get your scissors. Ask for help, your dad or your mom, and cut. I'm gonna use this to draw the mouth of my clown. Alright? After, you can use anything with this form, the circle form, for the mouth. And cut. You cut, get your scissors. Yes, and you cut. Da la la, la la la. Don't forget, the first thing is cutting the mouth of your clown. Okay? This is the mouth of my clown, guys. Now I have to draw my clown like this. Alright? Don't forget, this is the first part of our class. Okay. Right. I told you before that I'm doing this with my colored crayons. I'm gonna use the black one first. Black one first for the mouth. And then you can see the mouth better. Okay? You see? I use the black crayon. Okay. After that, I'm gonna draw the nose. Alright. This is the nose of my clown, and of course, I'm gonna use the red one. It's very funny. Alright, and now I'm drawing the eyes of my clown. This is the eyes of my clown. Look at this. It's nice. The eyebrow. Oh, this is the eyebrow of my clown. Okay. And okay. Look. This is my clown. Now, let me see the face. Yes, the face of my clown. The face of my clown. Okay, now I change the color because it's very important to use the different colors because the clown, they normally wear different, costumes with different colors. The blue one, yes, for the hair, yes. I use the blue one for the hair of my clown. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, I don't have, look, this is the hair of my clown. I don't have space here for the hat, but I'm gonna draw a small hat. Green. Like this, the green hat. The green hat of my clown. Great. Some details. Alright. And then to finish, I can draw the tie. Yeah, the tie. I'm gonna use the brown one. The brown one. The brown one for the tie. For the tie. Great. Alright. But of course, if your paper, if your cardboard, if it's bigger than this, you're gonna have a space to draw the shirt, alright, and the big hat. I don't have space, but this is my clown, guys. Look, this is my clown. Alright. Yes. Great. Great. So, this is my clown. This is the clown that I'm gonna use it for the second part of our class. Look at this. It's very important. Just create. Just use the colors. Alright? And do your best, guys. And I see you for the next class. For the second class, okay? The second part. Thank you very much, Brazil, Canada, guys, and I see you for the next part of our class. La 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 la